friends, my name is Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Let's warm up and improve our voices together. I'm going to guide you through a vocal warm-up today. We'll sing for about 10 minutes. Let's jump in. First, check in with your alignment and breathing, coming into a balanced and natural position. Let's take a low breath and do some gentle mid-range phonation on a lip trill like you can always hum if that lip trill doesn't work for you. Let's breathe in one more time together and very gently sigh down. I really like to start with limited range, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, SOVTEs, on a glide. You can sing on a lip trill like or use the sound like a V, or sing through a straw or a vocal trainer like this one. Read more about that below. We'll just do or you can even alternate back and forth like and then get creative with it, it's kind of fun. Here we go. As we work today, it's okay to switch octaves as you need to, and all of the exercises are listed down below. Let's get our air moving and hooked in. Say ha, 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 ha. Now we don't need to engage that forcefully when we sing, but we can exaggerate this here to make sure that we're using the right muscle coordination as an exercise. We're going to use that ha hook at the beginning to sing hum, 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 hum. Now with a more relaxed approach and a feeling of sigh in the sound, we're going to sing on hum, hum, ha, like hum, 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 ha. 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 For this next exercise, focus on isolating the tip of your tongue a little bit as we sing on luli, like luli, 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 loo. Gentle movement everywhere. Luli, 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 loo. 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 to relax. I wanted to take just a quick moment to make sure you knew about the mobile app for singers that I've published. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available in the App or Google Play Store. There are dozens of warm-ups to choose from. There are no commercials, and it's super easy and convenient to use. I'd love it if you would check out the links below or search Vocal Warmups with Kathleen in the App or Google Play Store. Let's focus on breath for a moment. Breathe in gently and give an easy sigh down. Focus on bringing more of that relaxed sighing feeling into our singing. We'll try that now on the sounds ooh, ah, gliding together like a bit more technical work, we're going to sing on the sounds he, ah. Try to stay relaxed on this and maybe have a feeling of lift as we ascend. We're going to try the following pattern. He, ah, he, ah, he. Once again, that's he, ah, he, ah, he. Here we go. He, ah, he, ah. Let's move now from a lip trill to a vowel, like Now, if you want to open up to a different vowel, feel very free to do so, especially as we get higher in our range. Again, the exercise is today with an octave arpeggio. We're going to sing on va 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 this time, like this. Va 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 va. 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 Va 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 way. Thank you so much as always for singing with me. When you like and subscribe and comment and share, it helps my channel and it helps find more singers like you. Do hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified each time I post a new video. I do add new videos every week, and sometimes I double up or add a special week-long series. Also, I'd be very grateful if you check out my app. Keep singing, I will see you next time.